The Docker platform has been making waves throughout the IT industry for years. With this growth, more than 47% in 2018 alone, questions naturally arise surrounding how containerization will affect virtualization platform use. Here, we'll explore how VMware can support a Docker Enterprise Edition implementation, and perhaps more importantly, why you might make that choice. Make sure to keep watching to learn why you should start using Docker on VMware. App management. Docker is a system for orchestrating or managing application containers. Containers are not virtualized applications, but rather they isolate application processes and their data from other containerized, isolated processes. A container includes all the software libraries, services, and OS components required to run your application. Docker containers within a host run on a single OS, sharing commonly used resources from that OS. Sharing resources means that the application container is much smaller than the full virtualized OS created in VMware vSphere. The smaller software image in a container can typically be created much more quickly than the VMware OS image because you're not booting an entire OS. You're simply launching an application on the Docker host and within seconds, not minutes. Optimize software cost. Your organization has likely spent a sizable amount of money to have an optimized virtual platform with the ability to run any OS to support the applications for your business. So spending more money may not be a viable option. When introducing Docker into your business, you may see a 50% increase in server consolidation after containerizing your applications. This translates to lower hardware costs and increased savings on your virtual machine and OS licensing. In some cases, you can view the Docker platform as an augmentation to the VMware vSphere environment. Rather than buying new licenses to add more VMware servers, consider reviewing your existing licenses and optimizing your resources by leveraging Docker for your application stack and deployment. Application defense. As an extra level of security, Docker containers create an isolation layer between the application and the Docker host's environment and resources. This helps to reduce the host surface area, which protects both the host and the co-located containers with restricted access. Docker containers running on bare metal have the same high-level restrictions applied to them that they would if they were running on virtual machines. But Docker containers also pair well with virtualization technologies by protecting the virtual machine itself and providing a line of in-depth defense for the host. Moving to a Docker platform doesn't mean that you'll have to get rid of your favorite virtualization platform, whether it's VMware, vSphere, or another hypervisor. Instead, you can use Docker to enhance your environment and save some money along the way, leading to reduced CapEx and a more streamlined OpEx. To check out Docker and VMware courses, make sure to get in touch and explore our platform. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.